this guy came by knocking on my door and said he can save me money by installing solar panels on my roof. We'll save on the electric bill. Should I do that? Hey, this is Mendy with My Insurance Claim Expert. And before you run to sign that contract, I'd like to caution you to make sure there really is going to be savings. Why? Well, from an insurance perspective, many insurance companies in Florida will not insure your house if it has solar panels. Reason? Because it's a liability. Number one, you have the solar panels on your roof, come strong winds, a hurricane, etc. It gets underneath between the roof and the solar panels, and it can rip those off the roof, damaging your roof, damaging the solar panels. And number two, there's the liability aspect. I had a client where during Hurricane Ian, it ripped it off their roof, went through a window in the house across the street. Luckily, it was just a window. But just imagine if there was somebody inside right by that window, that could have killed them. Your insurance company doesn't want that liability. Therefore, before you run out and get solar panels, check your policy. Or ask us to check it. We're happy to check it for you. Make sure your policy will allow you to have solar panels. If it doesn't allow you to have solar panels, you may get your policy canceled when your insurance company realizes you have solar panels on there. You go shopping for a new policy, you may end up having to pay an extra $1,000, $2,000 a year because the only insurance company willing to insure you is more expensive. So, not guaranteed that there's going to be savings. On the other hand, if your policy says you can have solar panels, it does not clearly exclude it. And again, it's 80 pages, your contract policy probably. So make sure you read all the fine print. But if it doesn't prevent you from having solar panels and it's going to save you some money on electric panels, go right for it. Thank you for watching. As always, I hope this advice has been useful. Please like, share, comment. And if you have any questions you'd like answered, email us at questions@pantherpa.com.